Click content to add more, to insert more ads on your videos, guys. Click content and then click one of these videos, guys, and then in that videos you have to edit it. Alright, do that. Alright, and that video you have to edit it. Click your video here. And then now there's advertisement, guys. If you wanna add more advertisement in between the videos, you can do that. You can edit videos, guys. Click the edit video. Okay, edit video. Click. Alright, and now go to monetization of that video, of this video. See this video, guys? Check the monetization of this video, guys. Alright, now by clicking the video monetization, it will show you how many ads you have, guys. See, your monetization is on. I already turned it on and off. See, that's on. You have to turn it off in there. Now it will show you what kind of ads on your videos, what kind of ads you have in your videos, guys. Alright, let's see. Now I already checked the skippable ads, video ads before and after, during pre, mid-roll. Now I gonna show you guys the trick how to add more videos, how to insert more videos in your how to insert more ads on your videos, guys, so that you can earn more revenues. Alright, click the mid-rolls, manage mid-rolls, guys, and then here I already added how many in between? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ads in between the videos, guys. See, you can see in between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inserted ads, guys. If you wanna add more ad breaks, there you go. So this one, it can be, I guess the maximum is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you have long videos, guys, maybe 6 or 5. This is what, how many minutes this videos, guys? 15. So click add videos, and it will add more ad breaks in here, guys, right there, and place automatically. Click that and then continue and save, guys. There you go. That's how to add ad breaks on your videos, guys. I mostly put 5, 6 inserted ads on my videos, guys, so that way you can earn more if somebody watch your video, guys. Thank you, guys. This is all for right now.